Morning, folks. It's the middle of February. Just after 7 in the morning. These are my local woods. And this is Birdsong Beginner, but with a twist. Because if you've watched any of them before, you'll know that I am just feeling my way with Birdsong and learning about it. And what I've been doing is going out and doing some recordings and then sending them to like a grown-up at my work and get them to tell me what they are. But I'm going to try something different today, because I'm going to have a go at flying solo. So let's see what we can find. So that is what I was hoping to hear. I can only really describe it as like all neighbourhood car alarms going off at once. It's like mad electronic and very, very persistent. And that is a song thrush. Whoop-a-ba. That's a new shape. It really is loud. There's probably a technical term for it, but I'm going with loud. And to be honest, to my untutored ear, all the phrases are very slightly different. It's like it's running through a repertoire. And you can totally see why it's called a song thrush, right? So there you go. My first solo. I'm going to be honest. I don't know what that is. Might have to send that one to a grown-up. It's kind of like a slightly downbeat, sadder song thrush. No, no, no. Not the same kind of variation it is as the song thrush. Maybe one for the grown-ups.